Okay guys, I'm going to look at Ask Scruff in the Traders Clinic. Bear with me just a second. Flick this over. Boys are coming in now, so go to Ask Scruff. And we've got a couple of questions. Now this one's for AK. Salute to you. Module 33 is only dailies. Can you do this time frame, and is the SMA okay to use 500, 200? Okay. These are tried and tested things, okay? One of the dangers of trading is you see something that works and then you immediately change it. My question is always, why? Why change it? If it's working, leave it alone. But if you want to change it, fair play. But just be known, you'll just be spinning wheels and you'll never move forward. And it's why when we talk about the modules and one thing and another, I say start at the beginning and work your way through to the end. Now the moving average side of it, they are typical moving averages for no man's land. Now the way that it works is very simple. They are there for boundaries. You want to change the boundaries? Knock yourself out. For time frames, any moving average system is prone to whipsaw. Now, if it's whipsaw, that means the low time frame you go into, because of the latency of a moving average, they lag so much. By the time the move is there, the trade's gone. So what you have to do is you go up the time frames to balance that out. So you might get the next 2 or 3 candles of profit. Well, 2 or 3 candles of profit on a 5-minute chart might just say cover your spread, then it returns back, and any money that you think you're making is just gone. But if you do it on, say, an hourly chart or a 4-hour chart, then you might get the next hour's worth of movement, which is fine, because an hour will give you enough for the spread and enough for your profit. So really when I see questions like that, it really concerns me in the sense that, well, like I say, if something's tried and tested, why are you changing it? So there you go, guys. Really, trading is down to you. You want to tinker and play, tinker and play. You want to do this as a job, do it as a job, and it'll pay you as a job. Catch you soon.